This is Angela, Triple
Hello.
Peaks Roofing. Good to have you back, Angela.
Great to be back.
We're here in Ohio, and storms are going to
Yes.
start coming. You guys know this if you're watching.
Yes.
Let's say something lands on my roof. I got storm damage on my roof. What do I do besides scream? First of all, I go, ah! What should my next move be, and what should I expect to have happen?
Okay, so there could be multiple variables when it comes to storm damage. Obviously, if something has penetrated your roof and you are leaking, give us a call. We have an emergency service. We can come out, tarp your roof, as long as it is safe.
Would that if there was a tree that has to be taken off first? So
A tree that needs to be taken off. If it's a limb, we have the ability to possibly take it down for you.
okay.
If not, you may need to have an arborist come in, take the tree down, or electrical lines. But if none of those are there and we can get there right away, we can come tarp the roof and keep from any additional water.
I was gonna say
intrusion.
that's important because that stops the water problem
Right.
there. Or for more water problems coming in. Okay. Yeah.
Right. And with your insurance, as Ohio residents and Ohio insurance law, it is our duty to make sure we mitigate as much damage as possible for your insurance company.
Let's talk about that. So now insurance, how do I get insurance? When do I get insurance involved? And can you help me with that?
So you want to contact your insurance company as soon as the incident happens. You want to let them know you've had some sort of storm damage and you need to get an adjuster out. We are more than qualified to help you with that process. And we will meet with your adjusters, go over things. We will look at your adjustment summaries and make sure that they are doing everything that they should be in order to repair the damages back to your original state.
So you're kind of on my side then as the homeowner. You're looking out to making
Absolutely.
sure that my roof is going to be fixed the way it should be.
Correct.
Okay, that's good to know because I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know what they give me a number of.
Yes. When it's a few shingles, it's potentially just some minor wind damage, give us a call. You definitely want to make sure that those areas are tarped, even if you're not experiencing a leak, because it will leak.
Yeah.
If it's not already, it's just when. Contact your insurance company, find out what their requirements are, and we can go from there. Sometimes the insurance companies will just pay for a couple shingles to be replaced if those shingles are still made, and it may not be enough to even go through your insurance company because of the amount of your deductible, and we can just come in and replace those shingles.
So you got some options there. So
Yes.
probably a good idea to have your phone number near your phone or somewhere just in case a storm hits and you need some answers.
Absolutely.
What is that phone number, Angela?
You can give us a call at Triple Peaks Roofing at 440-925-0386.